Rotational connection is something that's not often spoken about in West Coast swing, but we think it's very important. So we're going to talk about it today. Stay to the end of the video. We're going to share our complete guide to connection for you. It's a 20-minute video that will tell you everything you need to know about connection in West Coast swing. So we said there's 3 different kinds of connection in West Coast swing or in dancing in general. We've talked about 2 of them, the away connection, the forward connection. There's also a rotational connection. And the rule is you go the direction you're sent until someone stops you. Does that make sense? So when you see all that cool stuff being done, all those cool moves, it's coming off of not only forward and back connection, but rotational connection. Most applicable one kind of goes to Megan's connect to yourself, is in a turn. So we're going to talk about this connection in the turn. This is the way we're taught. Prep, prep, lead the turn. Congratulations, you're out of beginner class. In reality, I don't need both preps. That does not mean that I don't lead both preps a lot of times as a little extra insurance, but really I only need the second prep. I need to walk and then prep Megan. And on that second prep, can you tell me what's happening for you? I'm gonna tell you what's happening for me first. I'm gonna give her a little bit of extra room to fill out, and Megan is going to
fill it out. So I'm going to rotate toward my right to fill that connection out.
And that way, as soon as I release that, zip, off she goes, right? So as the leader, I'm just leaving a little space. It's almost imperceptible. 1, 2. And she fills that out rotationally, off we go. So as we get to higher level stuff, this is a rotational type connection. Rotational type connection. Does that make sense? So, do you have a drill for them to practice this? Probably not.
Sort of.
Well, connecting to yourself.
Sort of.
Oh, I'm going to give you one while Megan's picking that up. As the follower, you can practice stepping on a foot and rotating in. Stepping on a foot and rotating in. So if I'm the follower, walk, I step on the foot and I rotate in. I step on the foot and I rotate in. So you're rotating into yourself. Go ahead.
I would say out, but that's fine. So when you do this drill where you can kind of pull back on this, to be able to feel the connection from your partner, rotate to the side. You can feel that connection in your hand. Rotate to the side, you can kind of feel that connection and how it's supposed to feel in your lats and in your arm. And that's essentially for the inside turn. 1, 2, that right there is the connection point. Actually, dancing with this would be fun.
Hey, you're done. If you want to learn everything about connection in West Coast swing, including a type of connection that's not often spoken about, but a lot of high-level people use, you'll want to watch our complete guide to connection right here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other cool videos like this. We'll see you on the dance floor.